Guess who's the overpacker in this friendship? That'll be me. That'll be me. Okay, hi.
Hello.
We are in the Fort Lauderdale.
Hello.
FLL.
That's the airport code.
We almost missed our flight this morning.
It was traumatic.
The anxiety was not okay. We got to the lady. Mallory's like, "Good morning,"
And I'm trying to make myself feel better, right? I was like, if I go up with a positive attitude,
You were like,
we're gonna be fine.
And you're like, "My friend needs to check her bag." She goes, "Where y'all going?" Nassau. Ooh, no, we're gonna have to find you another flight. We were like, "What?" Anyways, this is Mallory from Vegas. She's the one that gave up her flight so that I could go celebrate my Dirty 30 in Vegas. And this is her. And now we're gonna go get litty in the Bahamas.
we actually met like a few miles away from here, and on Miami Beach.
That's right.
Yeah,
That's
so,
right.
Yeah.
We met in bikinis, and now we're gonna go party in bikinis.
So full circle.
Hotel room to be ready, and in the meantime, post rum drunk. Wait, what? Bitch, I'm dead. Rum punch. Just had one drink. In the meantime, I'm going to location scout. So what that means for me as an influencer is going around this entire hotel and look at potential photo opportunities, good photo spots, and kind of just mentally take notes so that when I am ready to take photos, I know exactly where to go. Let's go explore. Okay, so here's what happened. My suitcase got lost. And let me tell you something. Or last night, whenever I was packing, I had this feeling that something was gonna happen to my main suitcase. Sure enough, we arrived in the Bahamas. My suitcase is not there. It is still in Fort Lauderdale. He's like, we're gonna give you a flight credit, $250. He's like, anything that you need to buy, clothes-wise, like makeup, whatever, anything that you need, buy it, we'll reimburse you up to $1,000. I'm like, a word? A word? A word? Okay, sorry. All right, let's see what I can find. Wait a second. Oh, she fancy, huh? But I like these.
That's different. I would say this one here, but you have the face to walk that one. This one is a little too. No, this one.
I think that one was better.
This one, yeah.
Okay. Not me spending $900. They said it was going to reimburse me, but nothing will feel real faster than spending $900 on yourself. What the? I have lost my mind. Let's go. Almost as bright as my future, but that's impossible, bitch, because the future is right behind me, you know what I'm saying? So this is real life. Everyone is downstairs at the party, and I am uploading my pre-Bahamas, whatever vlog to YouTube and editing some of the content that I got today and kind of going through and creating a little to-do list slash shot list for myself tomorrow. Kind of weird. We can really never take a vacation, and that's okay with me because I really love my job. It's not for everybody. I'm in the bathroom. Mallory is having migraines. I'm playing Marco Polo with Lily. My body dysmorphia is really bad. I haven't really been able to work out, like lift weights and actually like do my workouts for a week. And then before that, it's been about 2 weeks since I've actually worked out and just kind of eating whatever. Like, I'm not beating myself up for it by any means. I'm not punishing myself. I don't feel guilty, but my body dysmorphia notices the extra little softness and is trying to beat me down. And I hate it. I literally hate it. I am a super joyful person. I don't know if you've noticed. And now, instead of feeling the joy and living in that moment, it's like I have this internal battle to fight these negative thoughts that are attacking me. And it's tough when I'm on my own. But that's when I really dive deep and say some prayers and that remind me who I am. And what makes me beautiful is not my size or my squishy or my abs. Or whatever. It's the fact that I bring joy to people, and that's something that you really can't put in a fucking bikini, I guess. I need to get to bed. I am sleepy. I've been up since 4 a.m. So I am about to pass out, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Watch her show you up. He said you did not listen to what he said. What he tried. Oh, I did it! Stand. Thank you, Gary. She does look tan.
She being the ginger too.
You do look tan.
I do. It's a good light.
We're going to the gala.
To the gala.
So the gala. Brace up. We're headed down to the fancy events of the entire vacation.
This is what we came for.
This is what we came for. I'm getting ready. Today is shoot day. I am wearing this swimsuit from Princess Polly. I am shocked I'm not more red. I guess I'm ready for round 2, okay? I am putting on SPF 75 though, so. Ooh, look at this, ready? Ready? We're in the mood, we're in the mood, we're in the mood. Who is she? My bag is here. I'm about to put on some light makeup, and I will come back and show you the full outfit when it's done, okay? This is outfit number 2. It's not that flattering because it's a little loose in the waist and like still a fun little number. I'm gonna go to the lighthouse and try to get something pretty in this. Time to shoot some more content. Let's go. Headed down to the beach because the sun is in the middle of the sky. It's lunchtime. Got on my Gucci sunglasses that drunk Alisha bought for herself. Apparently if I want to spoil myself, I have to be drunk first. I mean, there's a lot of worse things I could do whilst drunk, so I'm not necessarily that upset about it, but at the same time, like, it's not necessary. Okay, so we are going down to the fancy steak dinner that's a part of the hotel. I am wearing this dress from Club London. It's got buttons and old white down. I've got on a little teal liner to go with these earrings, and I have no idea where these earrings came from, but this is the mood. Oh my god, you look hot. Thank you. Back. Turn back. Yeah. Front. Alright, let's go get some steak. Alright, we are COVID tested.
We'll see.
Look, my sunglasses are crooked. Look at Valerie. Eat. How tall are you?
5'8.5", 5'9".
It must be nice. I'm trying to get like you, my boy.
I didn't even grow until college. I was like a full ass foot shorter.
Oh, that's why I haven't grown. I haven't gone to college yet. I think Quincy did the same. He was like 5'8" in high school, and then he was like, I shot up later. He's 6'4". I'm signing up for college.
Or something like that. I had a mullet.
Wait, you're
I had
cute.
a We might weigh a little bit.
We have been back from Pig Island for about an hour. Today's adventure is so much fun. I literally got the best footage of snorkeling I've ever had in my life. I've been snorkeling a few times, and this experience, not even just the footage, but what I got to see was the best that I've ever experienced. The sea turtle completely blew my mind. Mallory's gonna get a little crew together for dinner, and then we're just gonna see where the night takes us. It's our last night in the Bahamas, so we're probably gonna go live it up a little bit, go to maybe some of the local bars, which is my kind of thing. That's what I like to do. I like to, you know, go meet the people. I want to go meet the locals. I want to go drink with the locals. I want to go eat with the locals. I want to see how they live and how they turn up on a thirsty Thursday in the Bahamas. So I'm excited for that. I'm not gonna lie. We'll see you guys later. Okay, playing beer pong with the locals in the Bahamas is a bucket list thing. Like, that was amazing. I had a lot of fun, and I had no idea I was gonna make that first shot, but I was like, yeah. It's funny because right before I made that shot, I looked at the owner of the bar and I was like, by the way, I've never lost, bitch. Hold on. I said, by the way, I've never lost a game of beer pong. With a straight face. I swear to God. I swear to God I didn't laugh. But I was like, never. And then I made the shot and everyone was like, ah! And I was like, ah! I gotta get ready for bed. I'm gonna pack a little bit so I don't have to do everything in the morning. Oh, I'm supposed to get up at sunrise and shoot at the beach. Do I have to? Yes. Yes, because I want this shot. So, okay, I'm going to bed. Mallory is a champ, by the way. She's gonna go on America's Got Talent and show you how to pack a carry-on. Meanwhile, I'm over here trying to learn how to say I love you in Korean. 사랑해요. Is it 사랑?
사랑해요.
해요. 사랑해요.
Do you have everything that you need in this bag already?
Yes, and then I guess when I'm at the airport is when I'll sit on the phone with South by on hold and tell them about my horror experience.